Hey guys, it's Lindsay from Chalk Palette. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super cute growth ruler. So I'm using two different chalk transfers. This is our Travel Story Collection Explore chalk transfer and our Serif Font chalk transfer. Just using our transfer trimmers to separate the different pieces from the transfers based on the cutting lines. And then I'm going to measure out the spacing that I need for the different lines within my growth chart ruler, just an inch apart with each of them. And then after I have that written out, I'll mix up my chalk paste using a little bit of water, make sure it's a good consistency. And then I am going to use the arrow from the Travel Story Collection Explore transfer to make my black lines. Oops, that line didn't go on as dark as I wanted to, so I'm going to go back over it, just lining up my transfer again, adding more paste. I want to make sure that all of my lines are nice, thick, and crisp. Measuring out my numbers to make sure that I'm putting them on straight. That's why I'm using the ruler across, and then adding more lines as I go, letting my transfer dry out after I rinse it in the water, not shown in this video, letting it dry out in between every couple of times using it. And so while that happens, I'll be adding the numbers, and then I'll add lines as I go as well. I love how crisp my lines are using a chalk transfer. I'm not dealing with pilling up and re-adhering sticky vinyl. I'm not using Sharpies where it doesn't have that straight edge on the front, or also as I draw the different lines. Continuing to work my way up to my 6-foot board. I have 6 inches on the bottom, 6 inches on the top, so this board can go up to 6.5 feet. We'll see how tall the girls get, but they won't be 6.5 feet anytime soon. I'm excited to mark and chart this growth chart. It's something I've been wanting to make for a while, and so I'm glad to be able to use the different chalk transfers that I have on hand to make it possible. And I do think that these numbers are just the perfect height and size for a ruler like this, so I was really excited when that came out in our last product launch. I'm going through and using the arrow to make the different lines for every inch apart on the ruler. I do wash this transfer, not shown in this video, in my kitchen sink, using just cool water, rinse it off, and then let it air dry or dry it with a paper towel, and then use it again with just the one transfer. Yay! Love how it turned out. And so does Amy.